Here we go. I'm just going to turn this around, rotate. Hi guys, I thought I'd go live for once, if anyone's interested. Just trying to rotate, come on girl, rotate. Here we go. So I'm just sitting on my doorstep basically. Here's the roof and here's the bus, and this guy, he's just up here and I can basically sit on my doorstep and he just goes pretty much around and around and around and just this light perimeter. And he might, you know, it's I just decided to go live because this guy, I'm basically just sitting here for at least 10 to 15 minutes and casually he just hovers, and I just really wanted to capture this because it's just it's just obvious. So this is about round 4 of this type of thing, so I'll just zoom back in because you can see where I am. Here's my broken roof, and my tin shed, and this guy here is basically on my doorstep. I'm just going to sit back down because I'm relaxing and watching, and yeah, hates my guts. I mean, you know, I'm just a little old spiritual lady that, you know, asking questions like us all. They'd think I was nuts. And I'm part of them, as you can see from my facials.
I don't want nobody fucking with me in these streets. I don't want nobody fucking with me in these streets. Cause ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that.
And